astronaut. A man barely alive.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. We have the technology. We have the capability to make the world's first bionic man.
Now, who missed that show in the 70s, huh? Not a one of them. The $6 million man, now a San Francisco woman, wants what she considers, or some consider, a bionic eye, like the one Steve Austin had. He could see forever in that show. Tanya Vlach lost her eye back in a car accident in 2005. Now she wants a webcam fitted into her eye socket. Is it possible? Where could it lead? Fox Medical contributor Dr. Jennifer Ashton with me now. Doctor, good morning to you.
Good morning,
Bill. I know you were too young to remember.
And here is what space there is available for a camera, and it will be quite a challenge to fit all the technology that needs to go in there. I'm interested in creating something new. This would entail a video camera and still camera that would feed wirelessly into an external device, and creating a specific app that could also be used as a remote to control the functionality of the camera, and all the while being able to see what I can see through the camera eye onto my device. So in that sense, it is true augmented vision or augmented reality. I discovered in a very traumatic and jarring way that you can lose life quickly and without warning. Coming back into the living, I wanted to really savor life. Those moments that you take for granted became intentional markers of memories for me. This is why I posted a call to engineers to build a miniature camera to be implanted in my prosthetic eye. The response stunned me. It was an international curiosity. Also, I had unintentionally triggered a dialogue about what it meant to be human.